Hey guys, working on the van today, this weekend, again, and I got the engine basically down to a long block, and I'm gonna start doing some stuff. So there's the intake manifold. That's a bit of a chore to get off. You have to pull a lot of stuff, and I pulled that off to do these gaskets. Had a vacuum leak here and maybe here, and if you look, you can see, if that'll focus. You can see where that gasket looks like it wasn't sealing around there and right there. So I had a vacuum leak. I've kind of cleaned this a little bit already, but I'm gonna continue cleaning this. I'm gonna do the knock sensors while I'm in here. I'm gonna pull the valve covers and pull the rockers. I'm gonna change the valve springs because we are putting an aftermarket cam in this engine. I might have mentioned that already.